Hello, I'm Anubha Pandey, and I'm going to talk about our paper towards zero-shot learning with fewer scene class examples accepted in WACV. Humans can easily identify new classes, given some description of the class. Zero-shot learning aims to enable machines to do the same. The current zero-shot learning methods usually assume that a large number of labeled samples from each of the scene class are available to train the model. Recently, meta-learning-based frameworks have addressed this issue of labeled data scarcity and have shown promising results for supervised few-shot learning problems. We leverage meta-learning framework to train the generative model in the presence of few C-class samples. We propose a novel task distribution different from the traditional meta-learning model. Disjoint meta-train and meta-validation task distribution mix zero-shot learning setup in training and help generate robust unseen class samples. In zero-shot learning, we assume that classes are divided into a disjoint set of seen and unseen classes. Only seen class examples are present during training, while test set contains examples from the unseen classes. We also assume having access to class attribute vector for each of the classes. Zero-shot learning leverages class attributes to transfer knowledge from seen to unseen classes. The training data is divided into train and validation set. Meta-learning further divides the train set into a set of tasks, where each task contains n classes and k samples in each class. But unlike traditional meta-learning setup, the meta-train and meta-validation tasks are disjoint. The disjoint class split simulates the zero-shot setting during training and helps to generate high-quality unseen class samples. The proposed generative model, MetaVGAN, is a combination of conditional VAE and conditional GAN. The model has shared parameters between the decoder and the generator. The decoder's reconstructed samples are also fed to the discriminator. This increases the decoder's generation robustness. The MetaVGAN consists of 4 modules: encoder, decoder, generator, and discriminator. Each of these modules is augmented with a meta-learner. We adapt the objective of joint generative model to the meta-learning framework over the proposed task distribution. The inner loop of the meta-learner provides reliable guidance to the outer loop. As we know, adversarial training is sensitive to initialization in our case because the better initialization model learns the robust parameters. Similarly, meta-learning framework also helps the VAE architecture using the inner loop guidance to initialize the parameter. We have conducted experiments on 4 widely used benchmark datasets and compare our approach with several state-of-the-art methods. We train our model and all the baselines using 5 and 10 examples per scene class. The proposed approach shows a significant improvement over the baseline methods for all 4 datasets. We have evaluated the performance of our model in generalized zero-shot setting as well. MetaVGAN method shows the improvement by notable margin on all the datasets compared to all the baseline methods. To illustrate the contribution of the meta-learner module, we perform an experiment where no meta-learning component is present. We observe that a meta-learner's role in our proposed model is crucial, which helps to train the model very efficiently using few examples per scene class. We have proposed a framework to solve zero-shot learning and generalize zero-shot learning when scene class have only a few samples. The joint architecture of the conditional VA and conditional GAN are augmented with meta-learners. The GAN helps generate high-quality samples while VA reduces the mode collapse problem that is very common in GANs. And meta-learner helps in learning with only a few samples. The disjoint meta-train and meta-validation classes helps in learning to generate the novel class samples. Thank you.